Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you a winter diffuser blend. This morning I've made a candy cane diffuser blend. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make the cozy winter blend, diffuser blend, that is. So I have this small little bottle here because my diffuser is going right now, and so here's my diffuser. It's going right now, and I have some oils in it. If I can get it open, I have some oils in it going, and I want to show you another one. So I'm going to be using this small little bottle, and when that runs out and I clean it out, I will just take this and just pour some water in it to get all the oils out and pour it back into my diffuser. So today we're going to be using 4 drops of vanilla, 2 drops of cloves, and 2 drops of cinnamon. So you can also go ahead and add more to this blend if you need to. So for example, you can go ahead, if it's a big room you have, you can double up in this recipe. So for example, I'm putting 4 drops of vanilla. You can go ahead and put 8 drops, and I'm using like 2 drops of clove. You can go ahead and add 4, and then the cinnamon you can go ahead and add 4 instead of the 2. So double up in the recipe if you have a bigger room. So this is for a room because you don't want it stronger than this, right? This is for a room, or you can either just put it into a bathroom. So when I make small blends like these, I put it in the bathroom because this small diffuser that I just show you, I keep that one in the bathroom. And sometimes what I'll do sometimes is just crack the door, and you can smell all these lovely fragrance just coming through. All right, so let me go ahead and show you what I'm doing here. So I'm going to be using 4 drops of vanilla today, or in this diffuser blend. So you can count it off with me. I cannot get this one out, so let me go ahead and get another one. There we go. So this is always the one that gives me problems, so let me go ahead and see if I can get this out. Whoops. This is a new one today, guys, so I don't think I have 4 drops in that one. All right. 1, 2, oops, I don't have enough. 3 and 4. All right, that's enough. So I said in previous video, the reason why I only use 1 dropper is because I use these in these small bottles, the same ones all the time, so no need to mix the rest of the oils. And I can see this one is going to, so I'm just gonna get another one just find one here. Okay, here we are. And it's the same one again. So I'm going to be using 2 drops of this one. Spilling all over the place, guys. 1 and 2. See if I can have this one back here. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the clove. You can see it's almost like nothing in there because it's that small of a drops. So when I'm ready for this, I'll just pour some water in like this. And then all my oils will just mix together. Or you can just use a small spoon or something like that and stir it. Well, this is enough, I think. And then you just pour it in your diffuser. This water is like warm temperature, so that's why I'll be showing you this. So I'll just keep this for tomorrow, and then I'll just pour this into my diffuser and then add more water to it. All right, so I'll be adding the recipe to the front for you. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for your support. Just thank you so much. You guys mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for all your comment as well, and your comment always keeping so clean. I really appreciate it, guys. Bye for now.